Hey, what's up, everyone? I wanted to go over really quick today how to update a drawing to reflect a model change. So one thing I'm seeing a lot of in these drawings, and I did go over this in most classes at least, but um, I'm seeing like errors, and students are going through and they're changing the number to like fix that error, okay? And if you notice, there's an underline here. And that underline means that it's a user-defined dimension, which is not an acceptable correction for the problem that we have. The problem that we have here is that the reality is that my model is not drawn right. Okay, the drawing is fine, it's the model that's wrong, and the drawing is reflecting that wrong model. So I need to go back to my part studio. I need to find my error, which is right here. This should be equal to 1.5. And I should click check. Now, if I highlight just the circle, and if I look in the bottom right corner, this will give me like dimensions of things, okay? It says 3 inches in diameter, so that's correct now. Okay, so now I go back to my drawing. The drawing has not been updated yet. When we click the update button in the top left corner, it's like the refresh button. Now my drawing has been adjusted and it is now equal to 3 inches. Okay, so that is the proper way to correct dimensioning errors that you find in your drawings. The error is in your part. So fix it there and then update it here. Okay, hope that helps. Bye-bye.